Salofa, it's Lucky.
Hello, it's Lonnie.
We spent the day with Grandma earlier today.
We went to the park. It was so much fun.
Grandma, Lonnie and I had a picnic. It was so nice.
Oh, it was very hot today. Would you kids like some cold orange juice?
Yes, please.
Whawhetai, Grandma.
Thank you. Why is it hot today, Grandma?
It's because of the sun. It makes the day very bright, but it also makes it very hot.
Wow!
Do you know how to say sun in Samoan, Lucky?
Sun is la.
Say that again, please.
La. Sun.
Lucky and I played in the park until Grandma said that we had to go home. I was very sad. I still wanted to play. Where did the sun go, Grandma?
Like us, the sun also needs to rest. When the sun rests, the moon comes to give us light.
Moon in Samoan is Masina. Ma-si-na. Masina.
Wow! And it's not so hot anymore. Grandma, what about the sparkly things in the sky?
Oh, those are stars, my dear. Lucky, tell your sister how to say stars.
Stars is fetu. Fetu. Fetu.
Aw, I love the stars. They look like shiny glitter.
Yes, my dear. Together, the moon and the stars make the night sky.
It looks so pretty, Grandma.
Yes, it does. Do you like it too, Lucky?
Yes, I do very much, Grandma.
I want to have a picnic with Grandma again. I enjoyed it so much.
Me too.
Do you still remember the Samoan words we learned today?
Let's play a little game. What makes the day very bright and hot?
The sun.
La. Sun.
But when the sun is resting, what gives us light?
Masina. Moon. What do you call the sparkly things in the sky with the moon?
The stars. Ooh, I love the stars.
Fetu. Stars.
Yay! You did it! We hope you had fun as much as we did.
Grandma said that counting the fetu is going to help us sleep. Do you want to try it, Lonnie?
Okay. 1,
2,
3,
4, 5.
We're so tired. We're going to sleep now. Good night.
Manuia lepo. Good night.